Oh, this is part 2 of my walk around. My battery's gonna shit on me any second, so I'm just gonna cover the basic shit. This is the center of the flatlands. A hill to my left, a hill to my 12-ish, a pond. Back there we have an island. Back there we have another hill, and that is the hill where I was taking the photos from in the first video. There's another flat part over here. This is the part where the main action would take place. Throw down a flag here or something. There's that island I'm talking about. Yeah. Hill of gravel. A little embankment to lay down, bipod up with the saw. Another small hill. Island. Retarded limp tree. Down here there's actually a path. You can sneak around there to get to the hill. Let me just show you the path. Ta-da! Path. Yeah, low battery, I get it. This could be a base starting point for the flag game. And the hill could be the other starting point. Throw a flag in the middle, take it to the other guy's base, bring it back to yours, and let's see. Here's a little hill. Lay down here with the bipoded M249. Shoot some plastic at kids. Played here many times, but a lot of our new guys don't know of this place. Currently can't use it because of what I'm doing right now. Hunting, sort of. And it's raining and I'm fucking miserable. I haven't seen shit, so figured I would have time to do a video. Ah, you son of a bitch, I just stepped in a shitload of mud. Over there, that white stuff is a junk pile. You can hide in there, do whatever the shit you want. That pretty much concludes the walk around. I gotta turn this off. My battery's about to crap out. But I'll check in later.